2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm teaching you guys how to play Sara Smile on this beautiful Thanksgiving. Awesome song that we can learn. It does have some bar chords, so it's not for total beginners, but the song is not super hard either. It's in D minor. Standard tuning. So it starts with the chorus, D minor, 1, 2, 3, to A minor, 7. First finger, second finger. And then G minor, to C. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, A minor, D minor, A. If you want to learn that part where they go on the G minor, that's you play the chord, bar, 3rd fret, 3rd finger, 5th, and then you go so 5, 6, and then C. Sometimes they throw in this diminished chord leading up to the D minor. That's 4, 5, 3, 5. And then verse. D minor, C major, B flat major, that's 1, 3, 3, 3, to A sus 7, which is 1 and 3rd finger here. And just make that a 7 chord after that. Sus 7, D minor, C major, B flat, sus 7. And then for the pre-chorus we got B flat, C, D flat diminished, D minor, B flat, C, E flat major. That's 6, 8, 8, 8 to D minor, and then end on G minor. back to the intro and chorus, same thing. Chorus, B flat, C, B flat diminished, D minor, B flat C, B flat major, D minor, G. Chorus. This part. Leading into the chorus out, so if you want to learn that, that's 3, 5, 6, new string, 3, 5, 7, new string, 3, 5, 7, 8, and then the diminished. D flat diminished. Basic strumming. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a wonderful evening. Be safe, and I'll see you tomorrow with more great songs. Thank you.